The most simple type of song structure possible, strophic form. This is when a song literally has one section that just repeats. So we could think of the structure just as a repeating A section. Strophic form is found commonly in songs which are meant to be sung together communally because they're easy for a crowd to get the hang of because there's only one repeating section, so the crowd doesn't really have to pay attention to what's coming next, they can just keep repeating. So we see it in church hymns and national anthems. We also see it in children's songs and also folk songs and traditional songs. So if strophic is the most basic type of song form, then the second most basic form is binary form. Binary is when we have two different sections. So now we've got a A-B-A-B pattern in our song. You can often think of binary form as verse chorus, two contrasting sections. We do one and then we move to the other and then we move back and forth. Hotel California is in binary form, Foxy Lady by Jimi Hendrix is. All of these songs only have two contrasting sections, a verse and a chorus, an A section and a B section. So songs with one section are strophic, songs with two sections are binary, but now when we add a third section, there's lots of different ways that we could approach this. One of the most common ways to have a third section in a song is to have a verse, pre-chorus, chorus structure, giving us a form of A, B, C, A, B, C. A is the verse, B is now the pre-chorus, and C is now the chorus. We can see a pre-chorus in You Really Got Me by the Kinks, Message in a Bottle by the Police, Like a Rolling Stone by Bob Dylan, Just by Radiohead. A really archetypal example of verse, pre-chorus, chorus structure is Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds by the Beatles. We begin with a verse in A major. We then move to the pre-chorus where the key changes to B flat major. And then the chorus is clear as day because it's not only in another different key, but a different time signature as well. So we have a very clear mood shift between each section.